Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to delete your Cash App account. So if you're done using Cash App and want to completely wipe your personal information and bank details off the platform, you can't just delete the app from your home screen. I'm going to walk you through how to do this securely in just a few quick steps. So guys, before you do anything else, you need to make sure that your Cash App balance is exactly $0. If you have any money sitting in your account, you won't be able to close it. Open the app, tap the banking icon in the bottom left corner and hit Cash Out to send the remaining funds over to your linked bank account. Also, if you bought any Bitcoin or stocks through the app, you need to sell those off completely and cash that out too. Make sure all your pending payments are fully cleared so no money gets lost in transition. And then once your balance is entirely clear, tap your profile icon in the absolute upper right corner of your home screen. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu page and tap on Support. So the window should look like this. And then in the Support menu, you just tap into the search bar at the top and type in Close Your Accounts or Close. Select the top option that appears, which should say Close Your Cash App Accounts. It will show you a quick page explaining that closing it will disable your cash tag and sign you out of all devices. Just scroll down, press Confirm in this green button, and after you hit confirm, you'll get a text or email verifying the closure. Once you see that notification, it is completely safe to uninstall the app from your mobile device. That is it guys, enjoy. If this helped, like and subscribe.